Hey, I've got this PlayStation 2 that we are going to take a look at. The vibration in the controllers don't work, so the research I've done says that there's a fuse in the PS2 that just needs to be replaced because it's blown. They got me some resettable fuses. We're going to try those first. If those don't work, then I've just got some normal ones too. So, okay, I'm going to take this apart off camera. So I found the fuse. It's going to be this S7 one right here. When I touch these together, nothing happens. It's not open. It's supposed to be open. This one's labeled the same. It does have continuity. Yep. That one does. All these ones are fuses. They're all good. This one's not good. So we're going to replace this one. Hopefully that's it. Throw some capped on tape around these just to isolate it. Throw some flux on there. Start heating this bad boy up. There we go. Ooh. Like we might be floating it to the other side there. Let's see. Might be a wee too much, but that's alright. It might work. Yeah, looks like it's working. From the research I've done, it says it was the right fuse. But looks like this might be a different revision board. Which is alright. That's gonna work. Looks like it's working. Let me clean it once more and we'll put it back together and we will test it out. Fixing that fuse, replacing it, definitely worked. You can kind of see through this one. These rumble motors aren't the best, but they are working.